Bonjour, I'm Hina from evidyarthi.in and in this session we'll learn how to say I would rather or I rather in French. So I would rather or I rather can be I would prefer. And for the prefer we have préférer. For the prefer word in English we have préférer in French. So I would rather को हम फ्रेंच में क्या बोलते हैं? हम बोलते हैं je préférerais. Because I would rather को हम I would prefer भी बोल सकते हैं. और prefer के लिए हमारे पास फ्रेंच में वर्ड है préférer. So I would rather can be je préférais or je aimais mieux. Je aimais mieux. Je préférais or je aimais mieux. So, for example, first we have I would rather go now or I rather go now. So, here I would rather can be I would prefer go now. So, it will be je préférais y aller maintenant. Je préférais y aller maintenant. So, aller verb with e and maintenant because we're using for it for go. To go is aller and maintenant means now and I would rather be je préférais. Or it can be je aimais mieux y aller maintenant. J'aimais mieux y aller maintenant. So, I would rather go now. Maintenant means now. Now for the negative sentence. It will be I would rather not eat now. I would rather not eat now. The negative negation. So it will be je préférais ne pas manger maintenant. So je préférais ne pas manger maintenant. So maintenant we know it's now. Manger is a verb which means to eat and je préférais is I would rather. And it can be je aimais ne pas manger maintenant. Je aimais ne pas manger maintenant. So the negative ne pas manger means to eat and maintenant is now. And je préférais or je aimais is for the I would rather. Next is the rule 1. Rule 1 is I would rather plus verb. I would rather or I would prefer plus verb will be je préférais plus infinitive form of the verb. So, je préférais plus the infinitive form of the verb or je aimais and the infinitive form. Je aimais mieux and the infinitive form of the verb. Now, the rule number 2 is I would rather plus subject. When we have I would rather and a subject, the rule will be je préférais que plus subject plus the subjunctive mood. So, je préférais que plus the subject plus the subjunctive mood. जब हमारे पास I would rather के बाद verb की जगह subject होगा तो हम यूज करेंगे je préférais que और je aimais mieux que. So, que word हम यूज करेंगे जब हमारे पास sentence में subject होगा. When we have subject after I would rather in a sentence, we will use que after the je préférais or je aimais mieux que. For example, I would rather you come on time or I rather you come on time. So it will be je préférais que tu viennes à l'heure. Je préférais que tu viennes à l'heure और je aimais mieux que tu viens à l'heure. So, je préférais que and je aimais mieux que is for I would rather because there is a subject, and tu viens means you come. On time means a l'heure. So, when there is a subject, we use je préférais plus the que. So, if you want to revise all this example once again, you can download from the link below. C'est fini. Bien. Merci. À bientôt.